Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ZIL coin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And on the daily time frame chart, Zilliqa has formed this rising wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal of ZIL coin that I shared a few days back with my members on 21st of January. That was the formation of a harmonic bullish reverse regardless out of that ZIL formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this idea, price line was moving inside the buying zone of this harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line moved more sideways from here, and then we had a very powerful pump, and that was, by the way, more than 27% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before this, I also shared another harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup in the month of March 2022. That was also, by the way, formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that we had a very powerful pump from this buying zone, and that was, by the way, more than 400%. Very, very huge pump within next few days. Now, let me to take you to Zilliqa's weekly time frame chart, and on this long-term time frame, you can see that Zilliqa was moving inside a very, very big falling wedge pattern. And back in 2021 to 2022, we have been following this wedge, and I've been telling you in those days that once Zilliqa will be able to break out this resistance, then we can expect a powerful pump. And our target was at 23 cents, and the price then broke it out and had a rally up to 23 cents. And after hitting this resistance of 23 cents, that was also the target for this falling wedge pattern. The price then re-entered the same wedge and continued its move to the downside inside the same falling wedge pattern. And now, recently, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 weeks ago, it has broken out this falling wedge pattern once again, and now it is getting accumulated above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Here we have a very, very strong resistance at 2.9 cents, and you can see that the price line is getting accumulated at this resistance. Sometime it is moving above this resistance, and sometime moving below than this resistance of 2.9 cents. Right now we are moving above 2.9 cents resistance level, and you can see previously this level has been working as a very nice support back in March 2018, as a support in the month of September 2018, and after breaking it down, it flipped into a resistance in the month of April 2019, in June 2019, in June 2020, and in August 2020 as well. And after breaking it out, it flipped into a support once again in the month of November and December 2020. And here you can see it worked as a very strong support in the month of June 2022. And for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a support. And now it again flipped into a resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here on the daily time frame chart, the price line of Zilliqa has formed this rising wedge pattern. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then our target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 2.32 cents. And you can see we have a lot of support here. Previously, this level has been breaking as a resistance on this smaller time frame chart, on this daily time frame chart, and here it also worked as a support. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then after the breakout, the target can be here. That will be approximately at 4.29 cents. And in that situation, we will completely break out this big resistance. We will be quite away from this resistance to the upside. And the final target for this big breakout, because we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern, and sooner or later the price line can hit this target that is here at the top of the wedge again at approximately 23 cents to 25 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.